change my exposure times, yada, yada, yada. Short version is I got to take a road trip now. And there's a guy in the Rogue Printing group who says he could possibly help me. So we're headed that way. Retire from a trip, get this registered, and gonna be able to get this job done finally. But through all of this, I learned I need to upgrade my exposure unit. Now the one that he had is just the next grade up from what I have, but I gotta do what I gotta do. Because if I have more clients asking for halftone jobs, then I'm gonna be screwed. Everything's lined up. I'm gonna separate these shirts from this other order. It all just came in this huge box. Load these shirts and get to work because it's barbecue season and everybody's having a barbecue and I'm stuck in the house doing this. This was interesting. I'll wrap this up at the end. Let me get to work. Job done. I, though, did not take a picture of any of this job for Instagram or anything because it was just throwing me for a loop and I was getting frustrated. The only thing that I have is the sample that I did as a test because I've already shipped everything out to the client. This is the sample version where things weren't lined up, but you can still get the gist of it. And you can see the details there. The green didn't really expose all the way, but I was thankful that someone else was able to help me. There's a lot of the, right here, you can see that there's white speckles. It's supposed to be green. But going forward, I did buy that exposure unit post the time of recording this. The video is a couple of months old recorded. This is a most recent recording now. I mean, you see here that it said June on the shirt. We're now in the month of August. So that's that. Next, I'm gonna try again with Halftones, but it'll be with the new unit. And I'm gonna try using puff additive. That should be kind of fun. I've already set up the artwork for this job, and that's next. See you next time.